Okay, good evening, colleagues. And I am very sorry that the last practical we have done was the questions were not visible. The procedures and the questions were not visible. I am very sorry about that. But now you will see for yourself that how the questions are and the procedures also is. And you are seeing now. Okay, this is how I filled the table. The first question was asking a table, fill a table. That is how I filled the table. And P, determine the average volume of solution as used. So that is how I have done. As you see now, enjoy it. You add all the values because of they are inconsistent. Then you divide 3, then you get 20.3. And that's 366, but you round off to 20.40. So that is how you are supposed to do. Okay, enjoy it, have a blessing in evening. So let's see the other questions. And the other questions are also calculate the number of moles of the sodium hydroxide used. You see now that we have done. Okay, 20. Find the number of moles of the hydrochloric acid in 25 solution W. So you first of all you write the equation, then you say since the moles of the hydrochloric acid, since the mole ratio of the hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide is same, so they have same mole. Therefore, the moles of the hydrochloric acid is the same as the moles of sodium hydroxide, which is 0.10102. So E, determine the number of moles of the hydrochloric acid in 25 you see in 100 centimeter of W. You are seeing a solution W. Then that is how I have done. 25 with the acid reacted has got that mole. What about 100 centimeter cube? Then you get 0.0408 moles. You see now, go. Then calculate the number of moles of the hydrochloric acid in the original. That is how I have done. And in the original means in your procedure this is the original. In your procedure, this is now the original. The original is this one now. So that is the hydrochloric acid, and this is the what? This is the molarity now. So you multiply these two, then you divide 1000, then you get 0.06. Okay, this one you get this. Then to the other one, calculate the number of hydrochloric acid and that reacted with the sodium carbonate. Then you get original mole of the hydrochloric, which is this one. Original mole is this. Then you subtract this mole. You subtract this mole, then you get it that mole, which is 0.1192. Okay, so if they ask determine the mass of the sodium carbonate reacting with the acid, so you first of all get the mole of the sodium carbonate, then you write the equation, then you balance it, then you get sodium carbonate to hydrochloric acid has got ratio 1:2. So you say now you divide this mole 2, then you get this mole. So this mole is a mole of the sodium carbonate reacting with the hydrochloric acid. Now lastly, you get the mass of the sodium carbonate because of the question is asking you the mass. It's asking you what? It's asking you the mass. So you get the mass how? You get the mass by multiplying the mole you have with the RFM. And remember, the RFM of sodium carbonate is 106 because sodium is 23 times 2, then it equals 46. Then carbon is 12, then oxygen is 16 times 3, which is 48. So add all, then it will give you 106. So that is the mass. So enjoy and have a blessing in night. Thank you very much.